Hello. Welcome to Passive Income Channel. Today we unveil the best ally for affiliates. It's your chance to change your financial future forever with the best Biolink tool. You'll discover our Microsite income generator. Here you'll find the ultimate tool to boost your earnings effortlessly. We invite you to discover the free alternative to Linktree, and how this tool can transform your approach to affiliate marketing and open the doors to lifelong passive income. Don't miss a single second of this video. Forget about Linktree and other similar alternatives, as they are far from being able to compete with the best link in bio tool free. Imagine a tool with the same functions as Linktree, but also adding over 140 free online tools and offering the possibility to add 75 VIP features and incorporate artificial intelligence to enhance and facilitate any of your marketing efforts. And as if that weren't enough, you can generate lifelong recurring income by recommending it without having to make a single sale. All this is possible because it's created by a marketing expert for marketers. His team will make the sales for you. They are offering a lifetime plan for a limited time and a 30-day crash course bonus. Learn conversion magic with Microsites, turning clicks into sales and profits. If you find it interesting, just visit the description and create your free account on Webby. And the info will be sent to your email, and you can also create your own micropage. When you create your own microsite with the best free Biolink tool called Webby, you'll want to share this incredible tool with your friends and colleagues. While helping them with their marketing efforts, you'll start generating extra residual income. Webby, it's a versatile platform that allows you to showcase your content, products, and services all in one place, making it easier for your audience to navigate and engage with your offerings. Plus, with Webby's intuitive interface and customizable micro-website templates, you can design a stunning microsite that reflects your brand identity and captures the attention of your visitors. So why wait? Sign up for Webby today. Check the microsite examples, select your free template and start building your dream microsite for free. Imagine having the opportunity to generate residual income while sharing an essential tool for any online entrepreneur. With Webby, this is possible thanks to its affiliate program, something that Linktree doesn't even dream of having. Join us and be part of a global community that not only offers an exceptional platform but also the opportunity to earn money for life. Imagine earning recurring commissions not only for Webby but for hundreds of products related to online businesses, and all this in 10 different languages. Also, you don't need to be an expert seller. All you have to do is share valuable resources and tools in exchange for a simple email. It's time to take the leap and become part of something truly extraordinary. Join Webby today and start building your financial future smartly and effortlessly. To do this, go to the link in the description, create your free account on Webby, and you'll be able to enjoy the best micropage creator on the market and receive via email the information to start generating recurring income with this incredible tool. Also, after creating your free account, you'll have the opportunity to take advantage of the lifetime offer and its bonuses. Let's get started. We're going to create a microsite, solve the problem of a single link in the bio, optimize conversions, and you'll also be able to generate extra income. First, go to the link in the description and click to create your free account on Webby. Select your language and simply add your email, a password, your first name, last name, and check the terms box, and finally click on Create Account. There you go. You already have an account on this awesome website creator. A micropage is the perfect solution to concentrate all your important information in one place. The key to online success is to direct traffic to a specific landing page, dramatically increasing your conversion chances. And a mini website allows you to do just that, but that's not all. Webby is considered the best Biolink tool because it also incorporates hundreds of additional resources, all designed to improve your site's conversions. Now let's see the accesses that arrived in your email. You should have received an email saying, Webby 777. Your account is ready. Go to log in now and paste your email and password and check the Remember Me box and click the login button. Go to Biolink pages and let's select Biolink templates. We can preview them. Decide which template you like best, depending on what you want it for. Remember that everything is customizable. Social networks, buttons, calls to action. Whether you're going to sell a product or not, you can also change backgrounds, add a share button. So don't worry, you can add or remove elements and change their style completely. We'll take a quick tour, but don't worry about the details, as when you create your account, you also get complete tutorials in your language. Currently, there are 10 languages available for you to see all the features you can add to your site. Once you've decided which template you want to create your website with, click on Choose Template and choose Create Biolink Page, and you're done. In a minute, we have your page. You could visit it and share it because it's already active and online, but I suppose you'll want to customize it first. And you can even add your own domain. The free version is the most complete on the market, surpassing Linktree and its direct competitors in features and without usage limitations. Because it's a freemium app, it's common for many of its users to end up buying the VIP version. This upgrade unlocking AI-trained chats that specifically help in areas like lead generation, increased sales and revenue, plus 75 extra features and selling templates in different niches. All designed to boost leads and sales for any online business. You can literally turn your microsite into a mini store website. This also makes it easier for you to generate referral commissions, reaching up to 50% of each upgrade and lifelong. In addition, the leads you capture with this free web creator will enter email marketing campaign automations where they can end up buying tools or digital products that will also generate passive income for you for life. Don't wait any longer and visit the link in the description and create your free account on Webby. Start using this excellent micro website creator and receive via email the secrets to start billing from today. Give us a like and subscribe if you like it.